All right, boys and girls, welcome back. We're at our reading table, ready to read our poetry. All of our poetry has to deal with friendship today, and it's our companion read to our other story, The Best of Friends. All right, so let's get started. Our first poem is called My Friend and is written by Jane S. Zion Brower. And it says, My friend is nice. We like to play. We play together every day. We laugh and cry and laugh again because you see, we're friends, friends, friends. And so we see our friends over here playing. They look like they live in a city because we see those tall buildings. And we learned that in social studies. And so that's our first poetry that we read. Our next poetry is actually a traditional song, and it's called The More We Get Together. And I'm pretty sure that most of you know this song. So let's see if I can get the book out of the glare there. And here we go. Sing along with me. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. I'm sure we sang that in pre-K at some point. And those are all the friends getting together, looking like they're having gonna have a picnic. That looks like a lot of fun. And it's about the same as in our story, The Best of Friends, because they also had a picnic as well. So we're starting to see some similarities, some things that are the same in the two stories. All right, our last poem is called Make New Friends, and it's a traditional poem. And it says, Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other gold. And we see these two young ladies playing on a swing, a tire swing, and they seem to be really good friends. Alrighty, so we read our poetry. All of our poetry had to deal with friendship. And we know that our story that we read earlier this week also dealt with friendship. We saw one similarity where the boys in this story went on a picnic, and the children in the other poem that we read also uh, went on a picnic. We know that these young boys played together, and they also play with other friends. And we kind of see the same in our poems. Some of the kids are with just one friend, or some of the kids were with many friends. So those are some of the similarities. And for the most part, in the poetry, what makes it different, I think, is that it rhymes, or it some of the words rhyme. Where in our story, our words did not really rhyme. So you do have a Google form sheet to fill out to answer the questions about both the best of friends and the poetry. And then check out Miss LaBerth. And then when I see you again, we will be in writing. So go ahead, finish that workout, um, finish the work, do a workout, and then come on back and we'll finish up our writing.